Hello and greetings from the Delta College Planetarium. My name is Brian and today I'm going to guide you through the constellations of the spring sky visible from Bay City, Michigan. This video assumes that you already know how to find the Big Dipper and can identify the cardinal directions using the North Star. We'll set the sky for 11 p.m. on June 1st, 2020, facing south. Because we're very close to the summer solstice, we have to wait until this late for the sky to start getting very dark. To find the spring constellations, we use the Big Dipper to get started. I usually think of the spring constellations as belonging to two families based on which lines you use to find them from the Big Dipper, the Boötes group and the Leo group. To find Boötes, look at the handle of the Big Dipper. The handle isn't straight, it's bent. Imagine that curve as the arc of a circle and extend that circle out to this very bright orange star. This is Arcturus. You follow the arc of the handle to Arcturus. Arcturus is one of the brightest stars in the sky and is the brightest star in Boötes. Boötes is supposed to be a farmer or a shepherd. His body is made from a diamond shape of stars above and two short legs on either side of Arcturus. His arm reaches for the Big Dipper. Many people say that Boötes looks like a kite or like an ice cream sundae, and that helps us find another constellation. Just to the left of Boötes is this U shape of stars that almost looks like a scoop of ice cream that's fallen off the sundae. This is Corona Borealis, the northern crown. We can take that arcing motion that helped us find Arcturus to find one more constellation. Follow that arc to Arcturus one more time, but when you reach Arcturus, continue your travel in a straight line, as though you were swinging a hammer to hit a nail. That line will take you to this bright star, Spica. You follow the arc of the handle to Arcturus, and then you spike to Spica. Spica is the brightest star in Virgo, who's supposed to be a young girl. Spica is a grain of wheat in her left hand. Above and to the right, this Y shape of stars is the girl's head and outstretched right arm. And to the left of Spica are the girl's legs. This is what I call the Boötes group of constellations. Boötes, Corona Borealis, and Virgo. All are found starting at the handle of the Big Dipper. The Leo group is found using the stars in the cup of the Big Dipper. Look at the first two stars in the cup of the Big Dipper, the two nearest the handle. Imagine a line extending from the top star through the bottom star, and extend that line across the sky to this bright star. This is Regulus, the brightest star in Leo the Lion. Above Regulus, this curve of stars resembles a hook or a backwards question mark. This forms the head and mane of the lion. And to the left, this triangle of stars forms the lion's hindquarters. To the right of Leo is the constellation Cancer, the crab. Cancer is very dim and very hard to see. It is the dimmest constellation in the zodiac. People will sometimes joke that Cancer is the dark area between Leo and Gemini. Cancer looks like an upside-down Y shape of stars. If we look at Leo again, we can see the lion has paws resting in front of Regulus. These stars point to a circle of stars. This is the head of Hydra, the water snake. Hydra is the largest constellation in the sky and stretches along this river of stars, bending back and forth, almost to the horizon, and ending almost even with Virgo. Hydra involves a lot of stars and can be hard to follow, but it's important not to confuse those stars with the stars of two constellations that sit on Hydra's back. The brighter and easier to see one is Corvus, the crow. Corvus is made of four relatively easy to see stars in a box shape, and a fifth one just below. It kind of looks like a bird pecking at the back of Hydra. Crater, the cup, is harder to see, but is just to the right of Corvus. A trapezoid shape of stars sits on the back of Hydra, and above, this faint U shape completes the cup. And Crater completes the Leo family of constellations. And there you have it. The bright spring constellations visible from Bay City, Michigan. If you have a clear night, go out and try to find them. As we move closer to the summer solstice, they will sink further towards the horizon until they disappear behind the sun. Then the summer constellations will reign high overhead. This is Brian from the Delta College Planetarium, wishing you clear skies.